English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 28.
I've been fixing my car. I'm covered in oil. I've fixed my car. Now I can drive to work again.
I've been cooking dinner. It will be ready soon. I've cooked dinner. It's ready now. Vicky has been running today. Now she's really tired. Vicky has just run a race. Now she's receiving a medal. I've been eating too much cake. I must eat less. I've eaten all the cake. The plate is empty.
I've been playing rugby all afternoon. I'm exhausted and covered in mud. He's been washing the car for half an hour. There's water all over our driveway. Her room looks so neat and tidy. She's put all her clothes away now. How long have you been walking in the rain? You're both soaking wet. You've been sunbathing for far too long. Please go and sit in the shade now. Riley has just broken a glass. There are pieces on the floor, so be careful. Has Oliver been eating chocolate all morning? He won't want any lunch. I've just finished a really good book. You can borrow it now if you like.
Hi, Alexi. It's ages since I've spoken to you. What have you been up to?
Hi, Magda. I've been really busy. I've been learning to surf since June. It's so much fun. My car keeps going wrong, though. I've been trying to fix the engine all week, and it's still not quite right.
Sorry to hear that.
How are things with you?
I've just graduated from college. I'm starting a new job in September, so I've got a month off now.
Congratulations. Hey, you should come and visit me. I bought a boat last month, and I've been going sailing on weekends. I think you'd enjoy it.
That sounds great. I finally passed my driving test too, so it will be a lot easier for me to get to your house.
Fantastic. Let me know when you're free.
I've always loved classical music.
He has been repairing his bike, and he's covered in oil. I have eaten all the cake. There are only crumbs left. Luca has just caught a big fish. We have been walking in the rain. We're all soaking wet. She has been cooking for an hour. The food smells delicious.
End of Lesson 28.